Hey, Gorika. Gorika, are you ready?
Yes,
Okay, what's your name, Gorika?
my name is Gorilla.
Okay, what's your father name?
My father name is Mr.
Okay, what's your mother name?
My mother name is
Mrs.
Susila Devi.
Okay, what's your best teacher name?
My best teacher name is Vasal.
Okay, wow, amazing. Can I ask question? Gorika?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please tell me something. What's your village name?
My village name is Rasulpur.
Okay, can I ask question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's your best friend name?
My best friend name is Moni.
No. Yes, Moni. hai? Okay. What's your village name?
My village name is
Rasulpur.
Rasulpur.
Okay, can I ask question? Please loudly speak. Loudly. Okay, which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject English.
Okay, can I ask question?
Yes, sir.
Which is your favorite hobby?
My hobby is
Wow, thanks for watching my video, guys.